Okay, good day again, grade 8. This is our week 3 for our subject, Mathematics A. And again, my name is Mr. Ronnie B. Borbe, your subject teacher for school year 2020-2021. Our topic for this week is about operation on rational algebraic expression. And since we are talking about the operations, we are referring to the four fundamental operations in mathematics, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But of course, the terms or the expression that we are going to solve is rational algebraic expression. I will give some examples for each operation, and we will start with addition and subtraction. Okay, so the rules in adding and subtraction rational algebraic expression are just the same. So we just need to replace addition if it is addition and substitute it with subtraction if we are solving for subtraction. Okay, so the first one is 10 over x squared plus 1 plus 2 over x squared plus 1. In addition or subtraction of rational algebraic expression, first thing to do is to observe the denominators of the two fractions. This time, the denominator is x squared plus 1 and the other denominator is x squared plus 1. If the terms we are going to add have the same denominators, we will just copy the common denominator. So in the problem, we will copy x squared plus 1. Okay. Take note that we can only copy the common denominator if they are the same. Okay, so just copy the common denominator, which is x squared plus 1, and then add the numerator, 10 plus 2. Therefore, the final answer is 12 over x squared plus 1. Take note that if this expression can be written in its simplified form, we need to transform it to its simplified form, or we need to simplify. But this time, 12 over x squared plus 1 is already written in its simplified form. So no need to simplify. That is the final answer. For our example number 2, we have x over x minus 2 minus 2 over x minus 2. Okay, again, observe the denominator of the two fractions. And this time, they are the same, x minus 2. So all we need to do is to copy the common denominator, which is x minus 2. Then after that, we just need to subtract the numerator, which is x minus 2. Then our answer is x minus 2 over x minus 2. After finding the difference of the two fractions, the next thing to do is to simplify your partial answer. And we can simplify x minus 2 over x minus 2 as 1 over 1, or that is equal to 1. So your final answer is 1. Any question? Okay. So if none, let's proceed to our next example. Example number 3 is x. Okay. We have 2 over x squared minus 64 minus x over x minus 8. In the problem, the denominators are x squared minus 64 and x minus 8. So, it is different from the 2 examples given earlier. In this type of problem, we need to find the LCD or the least common denominators of the 2 fraction, and that is equal to x squared minus 64, or in factored form, that is equal to the quantity x plus 8 times the quantity 8 minus 8 by applying the factoring of the difference of 2 squares. Okay, next is to divide this LCD by the denominator of the first fraction. The quantity x plus 8 times the quantity x minus 8 divided by the denominator x squared minus 64 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Copy the subtraction symbol here, that is minus. Then, the quantity x plus 8 times the quantity x minus 8 divided by x minus 8, the answer is x plus 8. Then times the numerator, which is x. As you can observe, this process is also the process that you have learned in addition or subtraction of dissimilar fraction way back in your elementary years. So just apply your prior knowledge and solve this problem. Okay, take note that if we are solving a subtraction, we need to put open and close bracket in order to have the correct sign. Because if this is a minus sign or negative sign, we need to distribute it to the remaining factors. So here the answer is 2 times or 2 minus the quantity. We need to distribute this. X times x is x squared. 8 times x is positive 8x. Okay. Over x plus 8, x minus 8. So for our final answer, we need to, okay, we will write it here. Okay, so this is 2. This is, we need to distribute the subtraction symbol. So that is negative x squared. Then ito, negative times positive 8x is negative 8x all over x plus 8x minus 8. Okay, so this is our final answer. This expression is not factorable, so we don't need to simplify that. We can also rewrite it in its standard form by rearranging the terms. The first term must be negative x squared minus 8x plus 2, and the denominator can also be written as x squared minus 64. But this answer is already correct in our example. Okay. Our next topic is multiplication of rational algebraic expression. The multiplication of rational algebraic expression. And again, in multiplying rational algebraic expression, we need our basic knowledge of multiplying fraction. Okay? So for our example, we have 3x squared over 2 times 2 over 9x. In this problem, we can use the cancellation method. We can only cancel the terms from the numerator and the denominator. 1 from the numerator and 1 from the denominator. So we have the term 2 and 2. So we can cancel it out. What is left is 1 and 1. 1 from the numerator and other from the denominator. We have 3 and 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And for our x, we can cancel out. X divided by x is 1. X squared divided by x is x. Then multiply all the numbers that was left in our numerator. 1 times x times 1, that is x. Over 1 times 3 times 3, that is 3. So our final answer is x over 3. Okay, next example. Our next example is 4x plus 8 over x squared minus 25 times x minus 5 over 5x plus 10. As you can observe, the numerator can be factored out using the common monomial factoring. The denominator here can also be factored using the difference of two squares. Ito, this is already written in its simplified form. We can also factor this out using our common monomial factoring. Okay, first we have 4x plus 10. What is the common factor of 4x and 8? That is 4. So the common monomial factor is 4. And the factor is 4x divided by 4, that is x. 8 divided by 4, or 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So that is the factor 4. How about the denominator? Okay, we have x plus 5, x minus 5 times, again this is written in its simplified form, x minus 5. Ito, the common factor is, okay, the common factor of 5x and 10 is 5. So that is 5 times x plus 2. 5x divided by 5x. 10 divided by 5, that is 2. Okay, this time we can cancel out the terms from the numerator and from the denominator. So we have x plus 2 and x plus 2. So we can cancel it out. Ayan. What else? Okay, we have here x minus 5. We also have here x minus 5. So we can cancel it out again. What is left is 1. Okay, what is left in our numerator is 4 times 1, and that is equal to 4, over. In our denominator, we have x plus 5 times 5. So that is equal to x plus 5 times 5, or that is equal to 4 over we can use the distributive property of multiplication over addition. That is 5x plus 25. Okay, either of the two answers is correct. Okay, next problem. Okay, our next topic is about division of rational algebraic expression. We have division of rational algebraic expression. Okay, again, we can still use our concept of dividing fractions in this topic. And we should also master the rule of multiplying rational algebraic expression because that is very useful in solving division of rational algebraic expression. For our example, we have 3x over 2 divided by 6y over x. Okay. The first thing to do is to copy the first term. We have 3x over 2 and then change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. And then find the reciprocal of the second term. So the reciprocal of this is x over 6y. That is the reciprocal. Then, since it is already in its multiplication, we can apply the multiplication of rational algebraic expression. So we can use cancelling method. Okay, there's no common factor, there's no common, there's no, but there is 1, 3 and 6. Ayan, cancel out 3 and 6. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Sir, can we cancel x and x here? Okay, of course, no. We can cancel terms from the numerator and the numerator. So all we need to do is to multiply the remaining terms. 1 times x is x times x is x squared over 2 times 2 is 4. So our final answer is x squared minus 4. Okay, next example. Our next example is x squared minus 16 over x squared minus 2x minus 8 divided by 6x plus 24 all over 7x squared plus 14x. Okay, again, we need to copy the first term, which is x squared minus 16 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. Replace the division symbol with the multiplication symbol. And then find the reciprocal of the second term. So that is equal to 7x squared plus 14x all over 6x plus 24. Okay, next. Next is to factor the numerator because this is factorable. This is also factorable. This is factorable and this is also factorable. So we need to factor all of the terms. The factor of x squared minus 16 is x plus 4, x minus 4 over. The factor of that is x squared minus 2x minus 8. what are the factors of negative 8 that if we add, the answer is negative 2? Okay, that is, okay, 4 times 2. Okay, yeah. Negative 4 times positive 2 is negative 8. And if we add this, negative 4 plus 2, that is negative 2. So the factors of this is x, negative 4, so minus 4, times x, positive 2, so that is plus 2, times. What is the factored form of this? What's the common? Okay, the common for the numerical coefficient is 7. So we have 7. X squared in x, there is common x. So 7x times 7x squared divided by 7x, that is x plus 14x divided by 7x, that is 2. Over 6x plus 24. What is the common factor of the two terms? That is, okay, 6. 6 times 6x divided by 6, that is x. 24 divided by 6, that is 4. Okay, so we can now cancel the common factor. We have x plus 4 and x plus 4, so cancel it out. We also have x plus 2 and x plus 2. We also have x minus 4 and x minus 4, so cancel x minus 4. What is left in our numerator is 7x, and in our denominator we have 6. So our answer is 7x over 6. Okay, so that is all for our video for today. For more questions, you can message me at my Facebook account, GDMCIS Ronnie B. Borbin. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, and see you again in our next video.